brief than you were already prepared to do, because we're really behind time, and we have to finish at 6:30 because of the interpretation. Mr. Moraes, the rapporteur.
Yeah, I'll spare you from my conclusions. You were all here, but anyway, my question may seem mundane given the intensity of all of these contributions, but one of the big things we have to do in our report finally is to understand what the space is philosophically and practically for whistleblowers, where you sit and where you actually say what you have to say. Now, in the US experience, you have this Presidential Policy Directive 19, which President Obama talked about. Now, I know what you're going to say about this, that it doesn't really provide whistleblowers with anything to say. I know you're going to say that. But you need to explain to us on the record what it means. That gives whistleblowers the internal possibility of saying something according to the US authorities. But if it doesn't, then tell us where a whistleblower in the United States from the NSA who genuinely sees something happening can say it in any sort of safety. If they can't, then what does that say for any whistleblower? Does it mean there is no scope? Is there any legislative scope at all? And then what, in your opinion, does it say for us here in the European Union or in any of the member states? And for the United Kingdom example, I mean, I'm very familiar with the UK, and I would just say that it isn't really much to do with the unwritten constitution, because we have many examples in other member states with written constitutions where we have the same problems of lack of national intelligence scrutiny. But again, for whistleblowers in individual